Hello everyone, warm welcome to all of you. Today we will learn numerical base on maximum bending stress. So first of all steps. Step first, calculate maximum bending moment under loading conditions. Then second step, calculate moment of inertia about neutral axis. Third step, calculate y, that is distance. Then fourth step, use bending stress equation m by I is equal to sigma by y and then find sigma. Okay, so we will see the first numerical. So first example, a circular beam of 120 mm diameter is simply supported over a span of 10 meter and carries a UDL of 1000 Newton per meter. Find the maximum bending stress produced. Okay, first of all, write given data. A circular beam of 120 mm diameter means d, small d is equal to 120 mm. Type of beam, simply supported beam with UDL. Type of beam, simply supported beam with UDL. Span L is equal to 10 meter. Carries a UDL of 1000 Newton per meter. So UDL 1000 Newton per meter. Find sigma. Loading condition, this is the simply supported beam with UDL. W is equal to 1000 Newton per meter and L is equal to 10 meter, right? In given question, circular beam section. So cross section of circular beam. This is the neutral axis. So bending stress variation diagram for symmetrical section. Therefore, it is clear that sigma c is equal to sigma t and yc is equal to yt, means stress in compression is equal to stress in tension and yc is equal to yt, means depth in compression is equal to depth in tension. So solve this numerical. First step first, simply supported beam with UDL. Simply supported beam with UDL. So how to calculate maximum bending moment? First of all, see this formula, m by I is equal to sigma by y. So first step, calculate maximum bending moment. So simply supported beam with UDL. What is the formula for maximum bending moment? WL square by 8 is equal to, put the values, W is equal to 1000, W 1000 into L is equal to 10 meter. So 10 square divided by 8. Then we get 125 into 10 to the power 5 Newton mm. So second step, calculate moment of inertia for circular section. So what is the formula for moment of inertia for circular section? So I is equal to pi by 64 into d raised to 4. Put the value of d, pi by 64 into 120 raised to 4. Then we get this answer. I is equal to 10178760.2 mm raised to 4. Okay. So third step, calculate y. First moment, then moment of inertia, then y. So y is equal to d by 2. So what is the value of d? 120 divided by 2 is equal to 60 mm. Then using equation of bending stress, m by I is equal to sigma by y. Then find sigma. Sigma is equal to m into y divided by I. M into y divided by I. So sigma is equal to, put the values. What is the value of m? 125 into 10 to the power 5 divided by I, this value, into y 60. Then we get sigma is equal to 73.68 Newton per mm square. Okay. So next example, second example, determine the maximum bending stress developed in a beam of rectangular cross section 50 mm by 150 mm when a bending moment of 600 Newton meter is applied about x-axis. So determine maximum bending stress. Maximum bending stress means calculate sigma developed in a beam rectangular cross section. Name of the section rectangular, having B is equal to 50 mm, D is equal to 150 mm. Then bending moment, given bending moment 600 Newton meter. So convert 600 into 10 cube Newton mm. So given m, so calculate I, y and sigma. Okay, so find sigma. So first of all calculate a factor of I, then y, then sigma. Okay. So in given question, section rectangular section having B is equal to B is equal to 50 mm and D is equal to 150 mm. This is the neutral axis, and calculate Ix about neutral axis. So bending stress distribution diagram for symmetrical section is sigma C is equal to sigma T, means stress in compression is equal to stress in tension. So Yc is equal to Yt. Sorry, this is the stress in compression and this is the stress in tension. Yc is equal to Yt, means depth in compression is equal to depth in tension. Okay. So first step, calculate Ixx is equal to BD cube by 12. So what is the value of B? B is the 50 into 150. This is the 150D cube divided by 12. Then we get this answer. Then next step, Y is equal to D by 2 is equal to 150 divided by 2 is equal to 75 mm. Then last step, by using flexural formula, m by I is equal to sigma by y. In given question, what is the value of m? 600 into 10 cube. Then I is equal to this value is equal to sigma divided by y is equal to 75. Then we get sigma is equal to 3.2 Newton per mm square. Okay. So this is the second example. Next we will see the third example. So third example, a rectangular beam section 300 mm wide and 500 mm deep is simply supported over a span of 4 meter. It carries a full span uniformly distributed load of 10 kN per meter. Find the maximum bending stress induced in the section. Calculate maximum bending stress and draw the bending stress distribution diagram. Okay. In given question, first read the first sentence. A rectangular beam section. Given section, name of section is the rectangular section. 300 mm wide. So B is equal to 300 mm. Okay. And 500 mm deep. So small d is equal to 500 mm. Is simply supported. Type of beam. Simply supported with uniformly distributed load, means type of beam is the simply supported beam with UDL. Okay. Of span 4 meter. Span 4 meter, L is equal to 4 meter. W is equal to 10 kN per meter. W. So calculate maximum bending stress and draw the stress distribution diagram. Okay. Solve this numerical. So first step, calculate maximum bending moment First of all, write here m by I is equal to sigma by y. Okay, so calculate first m, find maximum bending moment under loading condition, simply supported beam with UDL. So what is the formula for maximum bending moment of simply supported beam with UDL? WL square by 8. Okay, so what is the value of W? 10. W is equal to 10 into L. L is equal to 4. So 10 into 4 square divided by 8. Then we get 20 into 10 to the power 6 Newton mm. Okay. So second step, calculate Ixx. What is the formula for Ixx for rectangular section? Ixx is equal to BD cube by 12. So what is the value of B? 300, D 500. See here, B is equal to 300 and D is equal to 500. So 300 into 500 cube divided by 12, then we get 3.125 into 10 to the power 9 mm raised to 4. Then third step, Y. Okay, calculate Y. So what is the formula of Y for rectangular section? Y is equal to D by 2. 500 by 2 is equal to 250 mm. Okay, by using bending stress equation, m by I is equal to sigma by y. Then put the values. 20 into 10. What is the value of m? M is the 20 into 10 to the power 6. Then divided by I, 3.125 into 10 to the power 9 is equal to sigma divided by 250. Y. What is the value of y? 250. So then we get sigma is equal to 1.6 Newton per mm square. Okay, so draw the bending stress distribution diagram. So bending stress distribution diagram, see here. Okay, given question, simply supported with UDL of W is equal to 10 kilonewton per meter and L is equal to 4 meter. This is the loading condition of simply supported beam. This is the cross section of beam, means rectangular section. This is the neutral axis. Okay, so for symmetrical section, draw the bending stress distribution diagram. Sigma C is equal to sigma T and YC is equal to YT. Okay, sigma C means stress and compression is equal to stress and tension, and YC is equal to YT means depth in compression is equal to depth in tension. This is the diagram, bending stress distribution diagram for rectangular section. Okay, thank you.